to utilize an arranged overdraft with a bank, which serves as a short-term safety net for unexpected expenses or to bridge gaps between paydays. You must first apply for the overdraft. Begin by selecting the bank account for which you want to apply, such as a current account or savings account. Once you've chosen your account, navigate to the top right corner of the account page and click on the menu. From there, select the overdraft option, which will direct you to an overdraft overview screen. If you haven't already applied for an overdraft, you'll be given the option to do so. Upon approval, the bank will confirm your overdraft limit, allowing you to spend beyond your account balance up to the agreed limit. This limit will be displayed on your account overview. The overdraft funds can be used for various transactions, including purchases, bill payments, and cash withdrawals, both online and offline. Using your debit card, the overdraft provides a convenient way to manage unexpected expenses or temporary cash flow shortages, offering a sense of financial security and flexibility.